I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Now here search and select Sendinblue. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API, please visit Sendinblue API console. Then click on API keys. Click on Generate a new API key. Give a name of your API key. Then click on Generate. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Sendinblue. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to login. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to Sendinblue. Navigate to Contacts. Then go to the desired list. Here is the data that came into Sendinblue through the integration. Thanks for watching.